Have you ever seen one of those text to codes on some sort of advertisement where you text a code to a specific phone number and then you get information as a consumer? Well, did you know that you could do that with KVcore for a real estate business? My name is Josh Marriott, and I teach realtors how to scale using technology. And in this video, I'm going to show you not only how you can do that within KVcore, but a couple awesome things you can do with it to increase your business. So let's get started. So here we are in KVcore, and what we're going to do is go over here to lead engine, call and text capture. That's how I got to this screen. And so you can create a custom text code. Now you're going to have a personal text code, but that's not really as useful as making a custom one. So for example, let's go to listings and company listings just to get our company's office listings. And let's click on this first listing and grab the MLS number. Now you can use this with your listings, with your open houses. There's lots of different ways you can use this. Just kind of brainstorm on that. But those are the big two ones, your listings and your open houses, because you can put a rider on your for sale sign, and you can also have a custom text code on all your open house signs that changes. So let's go back to the lead engine, call and text capture, and let's create a new text code. So over here, kind of center right, we're gonna click add new. And the custom code that we wanna create is gonna vary on your purpose. So let's say you want one on your open house signs, okay? So you want to print open house signs and you don't wanna reprint, so you're gonna have the same custom code. So let's do a code of open, okay? And so in this case, we're gonna put the MLS ID of that particular property we pulled. And now if you're putting this on an open house sign, you wanna go in here and edit this. So let's add this. Let's pick our smart number. So I have multiple smart numbers, but you should only have the one. I hope you're getting some value out of this video. Go ahead and hit the like button, smash it, but don't break your mouse. Hit subscribe and hit the bell for notifications of future videos like this one. So now we've added this custom code. And currently, if someone texts the word open to this phone number, they're actually gonna receive that listing information from that MLS number we just copied. You can change this by hitting edit. When you click edit, you can just change the MLS ID. So let's say you have an open house this weekend and it's on a particular property. You would just change the MLS ID to that property. So that now when someone's driving around, they see your open house signs, they text open code to that phone number, they will receive information about the home you're hosting open. Now the best part is not only will they receive information about the property, you will get their phone number. And KVcore will actually start texting them as long as you have some behavioral automation set up, which we'll go over in other videos, or you can text them manually, obviously through the KVcore app, but you will get the lead notification as soon as someone sends in a text code. I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments down below. What can you use a text to code for in your business? The other thing you can do that's really cool in my opinion is put it on for sale riders. Have you ever seen a property for sale sign? They have that box with the flyers in it, and the box is always empty because people take the information and then you as an agent has to go refill the box. It's just a waste of time. If you have a text code, not only will the consumer be able to get their information easily, but you'll start getting leads from your for sale rider. So you can do that with like a house 1, house 2 text code. You need one for each listing. So like house 1, you can edit it, but that rider that you've had printed, you can reuse over and over again because it just says text house 1 to, your phone number or whatnot. And then you can change the MLS number by clicking edit right here and just change out your MLS ID every time your listing changes and you move the rider to a different property. You can change what information that person gets. Now you can also get a little creative with this. You can create messages. So if you think of a different way you can use a text code, you can create a message in the text code instead that sends them to like a specific website or whatever you want to send in the message. You can change that to your heart's desire. YouTube thinks you're gonna like this video next. Let me know what you think of their algorithm.